Hello everyone. In this tutorial I shall be showing you how to type in Gurmukhi or Punjabi and many other languages without installing any extra languages or keyboards on any Mac, any PC or any smartphone. I have made this tutorial in Punjabi as well. You can click the link somewhere above here to watch that tutorial. Before we begin the tutorial, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you. First you open your browser and in the search area type in Google Tools and press enter or return, and then the first item at the top of the search would be Google Input Tools. Click on that and you'll be taken to the next page, and look for Try It Out and click on it, and that will take you to this page where there is a window in the middle where you can type, and in this window on the top left is written English and there's the triangle next to it. Click on the triangle and that will show you a number of languages in which you can transliterate. I will choose Punjabi for this tutorial, and once you do it, then use your keyboard to type in whatever you need to. I'm typing in Sat Sri Akal in Punjabi using the same keyboard. And once you have done that, you just select it and copy and then paste it. It is as simple as that, and you can then paste it into any other application where you want to use it. It's quite simple actually. This has made life much easier. You don't have to look for keyboards to install. This is online. You just need to have an internet connection. If you found this video useful, please do click on the like button and also share it with others so they can benefit from this tutorial. And if you are first timer here or you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to the channel so that you can be kept informed, especially if you click on the bell button, then you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you very much. Enjoy this program and see you in another tutorial. Bye bye.